morning, everyone. So we are gonna do our camping trip. Ooh, I wanna do camping. Can we go for camping today? No, we can't. Camping trip. Packing up. We are going camping. We pack our tent, sleeping bags, and cook gear. Don't forget the camera. I say. We drive to the lake and we set up camp. Click I take a picture. Nighttime to eat. Time to eat, says Dad. We built a fire. We built fire to cook hamburgers and hot dogs. Click I take a picture. Time for bed, says Mom. We get into our sleeping bags. We look at the stars. Click I take a picture. Ooh, does anybody have a question? Oh, I do. I see a bear. And who's that bear? I don't know. We'll see at the end. Bear and fish. Ooh, how to see fish? I'm a bear. I'm gonna eat fish. In the morning, we see a bear by the lake. It is eating berries. Click, I take a picture. Oh, berries, my favorite. I don't really want to eat berries. Berries, 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 berries. It is eating berries. Click, I take a picture. Time for fishing, says Dad. Mom catches 3 fish and Abby catches a turtle. Click, I take a picture. Ooh, fish. I really could eat some fish. Can I eat some fish or berries? Nah, later. After the storybook, time to go home. Our camping trip is over. It's time to go home. Click, I take a picture. The next day, Grandpa wants to hear. Grandpa wants to hear about all. Grandma wants to hear all about our trip. I can't remember everything, so I showed Grandma all my pictures. Ooh, that got me an idea. I'm gonna take some pictures. That's a good idea. Bye.